Hey, here's another quick video of the 85 Westfalia refrigerator working on propane. I also have a little readout here for the water and for the battery condition, and this little snowflake indicates that the refrigerator is working if it's green. And it's currently set on propane. And you hear a little fan running. That's a cooling fan. And if I take my handy dandy laser pointer, you can see that it's working, definitely working. It's about 90 degrees outside, and depending on where you point the little laser pointer, it's about 40 degrees colder than it is outside. The door here, for instance, is 96 degrees. So just a quick update on that. Also, while I'm at it, why don't I show you guys how the sink works? You just lift up this little faucet, and that's all working. I got about 12 gallons of fresh water under the table there. So yeah, things are all functional. Any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.